I'm Matovu Muhoti at Elsmat Conservation Technologies. This is a company where I'm operating as a director of operations, located at the 9th plot on the 4th Street, Nyakaizi or Nyakizi, Kakowa, which is Mbarara City South Division. This company, Elsmat Conservation Technologies, started in 2020 in March. My mother found with chronic obstructive airway disease. So as an individual, I decided to look for something. When we talked to the doctor said, please, your mother has to stay away from smoke. And so the cause was smoke of that disease. So as an individual, I decided to look for the way how I can save my mother. And I decided to start something that can be used for cooking, for her cooking at home, which is smoke-free. Yet the doctor were telling us to use gas and electricity, which we could not afford as our home setting. So we decided to start production of briquettes. Right now at Elsmat Conservation Technologies, we have a team of 8 people, where we have 3 people in office or operating administration, and then the 5 people that are within production. Those are the permanent ones. So we also have 3 who are part-timers. Yeah, in Elsmat Conservation Technologies, we are providing clean and affordable energy-saving solutions, which are eco-friendly, and so that we're looking at the effect of stopping those airway diseases or obstructive airway diseases, that is air pollution, and also conserving the environment. We make our products from agricultural waste, as I've said, that is for briquettes, where I use agricultural waste. We use cassava, which we use as a binder in this, and in that we buy it from the farmers. And we also use molasses, which is a product we get from sugarcane seed from the farmers. And then for the stoves, we use scrap iron sheets, which we get as waste. We add value to that waste and we produce the stoves. Also use the stoves, we use the clay, and also we use the mica, which is used for fire conservation, for conserving the heat. Yeah, so that the heat remains within that stove, doesn't get emitted, but all the heat focuses to the stove, to the cooking pot. At the end of it, you end up saving with that stove. We're having different products. That is, we have the briquettes. We have the small briquettes, which is by households, because for the households, they need fire for, someone can light the stoves and needs fire for 2 to 3 hours, needs to stop it, and then goes for other business, then comes back in the evening and lights again. We have the honeycomb briquettes, which the honeycomb briquettes, those light or work for over 8 hours. And those are commonly used by big families or families which have more than 5 people, because they have 8 active hours of cooking and some other 3 hours of warming. They are used also by poultry brooders, the poultry farmers. They've been having also challenges of having sleepless nights with their birds. But now, at least with the briquettes, they use them, and they can put the briquette and it lights for all the night without disturbance. And also they help those birds to find that they don't get those respiratory tract infections because they are smoke-free. They also target the restaurant businesses, more especially the local food restaurants, because they need fire for some good hours. And we have also some factories which supply, like the ones making cheese, because they need a lot of fire in making the cheese. Our stoves, they are eco-friendly, they're energy saving, they reduce the charcoal use. The lower tier stoves, they are used by the households, and then the PUEs, those ones we target the restaurants, those commercial users, since they need fire for some good hours and they need high content or high calories of what fire at the same time. We have been in an RBF with the EnDev, GIZ, with Equity Bank, and we have worked well in that RBF, and the RBF has really worked for us greatly, because we were given some good numbers of stoves where we performed very well. That is the lower tier and the higher tier as well. The RBF, it has helped us a lot, more especially one is within the growth of our company, since at first it formed us when we could just make around 200 stoves, that is a month, but now we have the capacity of making 600 stoves a month. So even likewise to the sales also, they have drastically increased due to the incentives that were being provided in that RBF arrangement. For the PUEs, we distributed, there were 180 stoves, that is for the PUEs, because we first started with 100 stoves, and then after they made an addendum, they added us some numbers, which were 80 stoves, and we sold them to completion. And then for the lower tier stoves, those ones, they gave us 600 stoves, which we managed to supply to the community, and also we finished that assignment and that RPF as well. Then we had an incentive of 90,000 per PUE stove, so which gave us, in total we got around 22 millions, which helped us at least to see that we can push to this level you can see us, or where we are heading in our sustainable plans. In that RBA also, it has helped us to have the track record for our customers. Since there has been the verification process, it has helped us to see that at least we remain accountable to our customers, we keep track of them, we keep following up on them, and at the end of it, it has made us retain our customers. The RBF has helped us in also skilling, because we've managed also to increase on the skilling part. We have, because we recruit at least 4 members, where there are 2 women and 2 youth, like in their production, where the women have benefited. They have managed to find that they can pay school fees for their children. Also, the RBF has helped us. Now you see the structure where we are. Our office, at first we had our small office of Makoko, but at least now you can see where we are, is that at least we have a well improved office, and that is through this RBF.